All right, y'all. Part two. It's supposed to be part one. It's like my third or fourth time trying to voice this over, trying to avoid people and stuff, this and that and the third. Um, trying to voice it over on the fly or whatever. But this is a couple nights ago. Um, if y'all can see in front of me, really look, there's sirens and flashing lights, cops, police, ambulance, fire department. Somebody got in an accident. And while somebody was in an accident, okay, you see the green light up there. There's a traffic jam, so we're gonna keep having to stop. But when I get to the green light, right, somebody almost got in an accident with me, and I caught it on tape. Yeah, I caught it on tape, right? Okay, it's gonna be red again. Like I said, it's a traffic jam. See I think that's a fire department right there. We got Wendy's on the right. Long story short, I've been trying to not eat fast food. I ain't been eating fast food in probably a couple weeks, almost a month. Cooking at home, even though I'm still bulking, I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit. Bulking doesn't mean you just eat everything and anything in sight. I used to think that, you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna tell you, if you do think that, as maybe you know what I'm saying, weigh your options and then look at the goods, the ins and out, the bads. Get some professional advice. I'm giving you professional advice, so you take heed or whatever. But you got the police right there. But a car is going to be coming, not these right there, but it's a car coming from the left. As soon as I get under the light, when it's green, you'll see. But yeah, man, every day that's South Carolina. You know what I'm saying? Every day. It's crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like that in my life. People say everything is everywhere, but it is, but some places more than others. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. All right, green. So, okay, we going. When I get under the light, look what happens. I got the right of way. Look at that. Police don't do nothing. Of course they occupy, but still, like, come on, man. Got McDonald's on the right. But yeah, every day that's what happens. Every day I drive past something like that every day. People think I be tripping. Oh, you tripping, repping? No, I'm not. Not tripping at all. You know what I'm saying? And people drive like that everywhere. But I'm just saying, everybody, like, come on, man. How do everybody do that? I mean, literally. You know what I'm saying? Like I said in my last video, I had two cars totaled in the same year. One was because of black ice. The other one was somebody pulled out in front of me as they was coming out of Chick-fil-A. Totaled her car, totaled my car. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Y'all watch yourself out there, you know what I'm saying? That's my advice to you with anything. Safety always first, you know what I'm saying? No matter what you're doing. You in the gym, you lifting, you know what I'm saying? I know plenty of people that's injured for the rest of their life because they didn't understand safety first. You know what I'm saying? Safety is first, dog. Always, no matter what you're doing. What's up, man? Yeah, yeah, I need to hit the dang lottery, man. I need solitude. That's the only thing I want to get rich for. It ain't the money. It's the time and the solitude. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I like people. I like being around people. But I'm just saying, like, I will be able to choose. You know what I'm saying? I have my own private place where I could just be by myself for months until I get lonely. And I can go around society and then get tired of them and I go back to my private place. You know what I'm saying? But nah, man, y'all comment what y'all would do. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want. But I'm working on it. I'm working on a lot of things right now. I'm about to start going live. I've been going through some difficulties um, with this phone and everything. But I mean, it looked pretty good when it wants to. But you know, the memory on this phone, it lies to me. It says I'm out of memory. Then a few days later, it'd be back to where I got a few gigabytes. You know, so I'm thinking about getting a Samsung. People say, why don't you just get a camera and all that, this, and that, and the third? I like doing everything off the phone. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't like doing everything off the phone. I want to have options, but I mean, like at the end of the day, when I'm out on the fly, the phone is like really, you know what I'm saying, convenient. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta go to a computer and do this and that. Just upload from your phone. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I like being able to do that. So before I get a camera, I'm gonna get a better phone. A lot of people say that's the worst idea, but at the end of the day, it be people telling me that ain't doing nothing. People always tell you what's the worst idea when they're not doing nothing. If you're doing something, especially if you ahead of me on it, give me some tips. I'm all ears. But if you ain't doing it, you ain't making a move, I don't want to hear that. I hear that for you, you know what I'm saying? Let me tell you how to do some stuff that I don't even know how to do. And that's everybody. But yeah, I got a bunch of videos coming out. Yeah, man, I mean, they driving pretty good, pretty peaceful driving. But I don't get it though, man, I'm telling you. I think I'm gonna start doing that too. Posting and just driving. And like edit out all the good parts. Show y'all all the bad parts back to back what I be going through in like a week or so. You know what I'm saying? Comment below if you think that's a good idea.